Good morning, everybody. It is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate ASL style. Today I am coming to you with the letter Q. Can you remember how you do the G? Turn it down. If your volume is on G, turn it down. Volume is on G. I'm asking you to turn it down. So that's a question. Q. Turn it down. First word being question. See that sage way? Our first word is question. Okay? Q. U. E. S. T. I. O. N. Question. The only two letters that you haven't had officially in there are S and T. Okay? But you got this. So let's go through that once again. Q. U. E. S. T. I. O. N. Question. Okay? Our next word is quick. Quick. Q. U. I. C. Okay. Oh my goodness, I had a brain fart. Okay, let's try that again. Q. U. I. C. K. Quick. That's your sign. Quick. Snap your fingers into thumbs ups. Quick. You want it done quick, fast, and in a hurry. Okay? Q. U. I. C. K. Quick. And our last word. This is so hard. Okay. Q. U. I. L. T. Easy. Q. U. I. L. T. Ooh, I don't know what that was. So we have the quilt that we reach down and pull up over ourselves. That also means blanket. Okay? So, 3 words recapped are Q. U. E. S. T. I. O. N. Question. Q. U. I. C. K. Quick. Q. U. I. L. T. Quilt. Okay? Now I'm going to either spell it out or show you the sign, and then I'll follow it up with the proper one or the opposite. Number 2. And the last one. Okay. So what you had was QUESTION question, QUICK pick, and QUILT quilt. All right, easy peasy. You got this. Let me know how you enjoyed the video. I know that I did make a couple of mistakes. I just erased them and kept going instead of harping on it. You're gonna make mistakes, and I think that's the reason I left them in, so that you see it's not a perfect thing. Just like we stutter with our words or get chewed up in a word or whatever, the same thing happens in sign language. You just correct it and start over. Okay? So it's not hard. We got this. Remember to love yourself. Remember to give yourself grace. Okay? I don't expect you to get it all the first time you see it. So like I said, give yourself grace. Excuse me, that's the first time in this video. I did good. And always remember to love yourself, because self-love is the greatest love of all, and you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you first love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And you deserve the best. So until we see each other again on these YouTube streets,